They say once you taste true comfort, you never go back. After making this pasta recipe at home, trust me, you'll never crave overpriced restaurant pasta again. It's creamy, meaty, rich, and bursting with bold Italian flavor. The secret: a handful of everyday ingredients. Juicy Italian sausage, fresh tomato strips, garlic, and Parmesan magically taste like they simmered all day, yet the whole dish lands on the table in under 30 minutes. Before we get started, subscribe and share this video with a friend who always orders pasta, because after this, they might never order it again. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, salt it generously, and add 8 ounces of penne pasta. Cook it until just al dente. It'll finish cooking in the sauce later. Now in a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add half a pound of Italian ground sausage, spicy or mild, and break it up with a spatula. Let it brown and sizzle until the edges are golden and crispy. You'll know it's ready when the aroma fills your kitchen and you see those little brown bits forming on the bottom of the pan. Push the sausage to one side of the skillet and melt in 1 tablespoon of butter in the empty space. Add 4 finely chopped garlic cloves and half of a diced onion. Sauté until the onions turn soft and translucent, and the garlic releases that irresistible aroma. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes for gentle heat that keeps each bite interesting. Next, add half a cup of thinly sliced tomato strips, fresh or fire-roasted. They'll melt into the sauce and give it a bright, mellow richness without overpowering. Stir everything together, and then pour in half a cup of chicken broth. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes, just enough to bring all those flavors together. Reduce the heat and pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. As you stir, the sauce turns into the most luscious orange-pink color, smooth and velvety. Add half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and stir until the cheese melts completely into the sauce. The consistency should be creamy and rich, thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Taste and adjust with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now bring back your cooked pasta and toss it directly into the skillet. Gently fold it through the sauce until every piece is coated in that creamy, meaty goodness. Add a handful of fresh baby spinach just before serving. It will wilt in seconds, adding that pop of green and freshness to the dish. Spoon the pasta into bowls and top with extra sausage pieces, a light sprinkle of Parmesan, torn basil leaves, and a crack of black pepper. It's creamy, savory, slightly spicy, and absolutely addictive. But we're not stopping there. To balance out the richness, make a simple fresh salad. Dice 1 cucumber, have 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, and toss with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and black pepper. Add a little crumbled feta on top. It's crunchy, cool, and just what this pasta dinner needs. For a drink, blend 1 cup of fresh strawberries, the juice of 2 oranges, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a handful of ice. Blend until smooth and pour into a tall glass. It's fruity, bright, and refreshing, perfect alongside a creamy pasta. And of course, the final touch, a golden slice of garlic Parmesan toast. Slice a baguette, brush each slice with garlic butter, sprinkle with shredded Parmesan, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until bubbly and crisp. And there you have it. Creamy tomato and sausage pasta with a cool cucumber tomato salad, a refreshing strawberry orange cooler, and crunchy garlic Parmesan toast. It's a full dinner that tastes like you spent all day in the kitchen, but took less than 30 minutes. Let me know in the comments. What protein would you add next time? Chicken, shrimp, bacon. And don't forget to like, share, and hit that bell because more weeknight dinners that taste like takeout are coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next fun food story.